Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community, and I am back with an update for the My Forex Funds Accelerated Program account. Um, Finally got tapped in today, guys. This is my second day of trading. Um, I kind of took a buy setup here. I told you guys that I have been bearish and I have been getting my butt kicked. Um, just because I think I had a little FOMO here and there on some of the trades, as well as let's see, a little bit of FOMO, as well as just not taking like good setups. So I'll show you guys the overall progress of the account. So I pretty much got it set at 3 months, but like I said, I just started this account this past weekend. So these are the trades that I have taken. I'm not trying to over leverage the account because drawdown for the account that I'm on is only $100 overall. So again, I paid $99 for a $2,000 account, and it's a 5% drawdown for the entire account starting out. So yeah, I kind of gotta go slow with this, guys. So I don't want to just waste my $100. So um, yeah. So here are the trades, which is still not bad, if you will. You know, partial profit here and there. Two losses here on the account. You can see how much I lost. I lost here. So right now, the account is at. I guess the profit is at a negative 21 cents. But I will end up in profit by the time this trade is over. I'm just gonna ride this up and just let it stop me out. Yeah, see, it could retrace all the way back to here with this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. So if I wanted to, let's see. This is I would consider this to be intermediate low right here, just because it came back to fill in this volume imbalance right here. So I would consider this a intermediate low, not necessarily an intermediate swing, but an intermediate low. Um, So technically, I would say if it does trade past this point, that it will begin to retrace back down. Now, let me jump back over to TradingView and show you guys. I have this set up right here that I'm looking for to go bearish on. Let me pull out my pen to my stylus here on the phone. This. So I'm looking here. I would like to take a sell here. Let me go ahead and put this up. Short. So I would like to be able to take a trade here. Sorry. All right. With like a one pip stop above these highs here. So if I come in here, go into the settings, just add a pip to this, make this 46. All right, so this is the sell setup that I would love to get in and take right here. Try to target down here. All right, so I'm just gonna leave that. I'm gonna lock that. So this is a sell setup that I would love to take, and so I would love to be able to ride this up. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out at close. I think there is high impact news or high or medium impact news at 4:30 for the U.S. dollar. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what what happens. I will probably move my stop at, where is it? This intermediate low. See this low. Technically, I should move it now because this low did break a high, and that's usually my rules. If an intermediate swing low or intermediate low breaks a high, I want to go there. But when I do it, I would love for it to be an intermediate swing low, meaning that low has taken out another low, right? So basically what that would mean to me is that low has taken out liquidity. All right, so that's really how I like to move my stops. So it's getting up there, right? Just been taking off partial profit here and there off of the 50-cent trade whenever I move my stop loss. So yeah, that's this update, guys. So that's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming to be able to take this sell down here or up here. You guys can see here on the XPX 500 using the OANDA data. Would love to be able to get in at 38.56.6. All right, with a stop loss at 38.61.2. But if that happens like after hours, then of course I'm going to be try my best to be disciplined and not take that, get into that trade. But yeah, so this is the update, guys. What else did I want to say about this? If there's anything else, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, or just to share your thoughts and your opinions. I'm open to that. I think I'm going to go ahead and move this stop up. Let's see. I'm gonna go. Let's see. I'm gonna go here with it. I'm gonna move the stop up to 38.23.7. 38.23.7. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and take half of what's left. I'm gonna take 6 cents off. All right, so that should definitely put me in the blue. Okay, so I'm in the blue overall for it. I have to get to $200 before the account is upgraded to the next dollar amount, which I'm not 100% certain, but I will be sure to update you guys. So I'm currently at a $2.30 profit for the account. Got to get up to 200, and I'm just gonna take my time with it. All right. Really, I don't want to hold the trade past 4:30, so probably like at 4:30, I will just close out and then wait to see what happens on tomorrow. I still think that we are in a sell program. All right, but I think what we're doing is we're probably going to be retracing up to this daily BPR up here. Okay, all right, which is sitting inside of a daily fair value gap. So I don't know, guys. If I come back and I'm still in the trade, then that just means that, hey, I just decided just to hold the trade. If I don't get stopped out, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna let this thing ride up. I'll just let this thing ride up because right now it's just like it's shooting off. So I'm just gonna jump back in 38, 27, 3, 38, 27, 3, 7.3. All right. So just I'll just, like I said, just gonna take my time with it. And this thing is rocketing up. It's just rocketing up right now. So let's see where we are. 230. $2.85 for the current running profit. Hey, I might as well just sit here with you guys. I have a little time. Just sit here with you guys and let's just see how this trade plays out. Definitely gonna need a retracement, but who knows what that news is going to do at 4:30. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna do like a ICT 2022 mentorship tips playlist, just to share the knowledge that I have gained from ICT as well as some other freaking good purge and revert traders. So we'll see. We'll just see. I really can't drop any lower. I'd love to maybe hop on the 15-second chart just to see. But I am just looking for some more lows to be created and highs to be taken. I'm sure if we look at this on a higher time frame, you can see where, you know, this 15-minute leg is just totally being rebalanced. Sell side liquidity has definitely been taken. This right here is technically a intermediate swing. Right here in this intermediate swing was broken, and one of the things I know is that if an intermediate swing is broken with a fair value gap, then you can look for that to be traded down towards in the direction of the intermediate swing. Let's see, maybe on the 5-minute, let's see if it was broken with a fair value gap. Yeah, so it was broken with a fair value gap. So but it did not play out per se, because it was broken with a fair value gap, and it did not continue on when this fair value gap was rebalanced. So we could be heading up to that BPR on the daily. You can see here on TradingView, I do have a broadening formation. That kind of also helped me to get into this trade. Let me tell you guys why I got into the trade. This little green line down here is today's low. It was swept, and then plus it was coming close to the broadening formation. I call it the sell side. I don't know if that's correct, but and then so I just dropped down to the 1 minute and look for the ICT's 2022. I'm sorry, I'm saying a lot, but the 2022 man, I tell you, this 2022 entry model. So you can see here where we had a purge of today's low, a market structure shift right here with a fair value gap, That's where I tapped in at. Come back over to MetaTrader 4. You guys can see that I'm not lying. So you can kind of see where I took the trade, with the spread. So I didn't get that fully. But yeah, so that's what this is, guys. So just kind of, all right, we have a low here. Let's see if we get a break of the high, and I'll just move my stop loss up. Who was that? I think it was Ty, young brother. I think one of his older videos, he was saying when in profit, try to stop it. So basically just ride your stop loss up, below the lows, and just be content with those profits that you get. So that's kind of, I think that's kind of what I'm doing. So yeah, if I get a break, of that high, then I'll move my stop to 38.42 even. So if I can get a break of, I think we're gonna get it, 38.45.9, I will move my stop to 38.42 even. So let's see. And for me, it doesn't necessarily have to be a close, but if I just get a wick up, then like that. So I'm gonna move it to 38.42 even. All right, 6 cent. I'm gonna go ahead and take 3 cent off. All right, bam. All right, so we're up $3.88 so far. So see how close we're coming to that entry for the sell model. Yeah, I'm not going to be looking to get into that sell though, just because it's so close to closing. So I just want to be smarter, try my best to be as smart and patient with my trades as possible to grow this account. So I do have another personal account. Hackers don't bother me. On Hanko Trade, because I typically trade with Hanko, but I'm trying to just OTM, use other people's, or OPM, use other people's money. So did I get stopped out? Yeah, I got stopped out. So we're at a $5.28 profit so far for my Forex Funds Accelerated account. And with larger accounts, I typically will do the 1,000 pip rule. So whatever your account is, go in at a lot size where it'll take 1,000 pips to take you out. So with a $2,000 account, that would be $1 or $4. I think I'm saying that right. Nope, it'll be $2. It'll be $2, but again, I just want to go slow with this account. Excuse me, and do my best to take my time and be smart about it. So, all right, guys, that's gonna be it. I'm out of the trade. Video is going almost 20 minutes. I hope this has been insightful and educational and inspiring to you guys. Please comment below your opinion or any questions. If you're not a subscriber, please feel free to subscribe. Do me the honor in becoming a subscriber. Maybe I can just be that inspiration for you guys, especially with me switching over from supply and demand to this purge and revert strategy with ICT. So yeah. All right, guys, that is it. As always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.